Today you're fishing with Mr. Eastside 619. I'm gonna take a little break off of trout fishing, but I can catch it out there in the surf. Check out the video. Peace. Man, the tide is low, but the surf is looking good. Shimano Nasci right here, 3000 size, paired up with my Phenix feather. The surf is looking good. I'm gonna be using the Gulp Sandworm, also known as crackbait. So let's see what I can catch today. Let's get on some surf perch. At the base of the surf. I got my Gulp. Alright, let's see if I can get on a few surf perch or whatever gonna bite. Right here at Mission Beach. Got one. I got one, boy. Yeah. He's coming. Oh yeah. Look at that. First winter surf perch. That's a pretty good size. Yeah. I think this is a big one. Holy moly. Look at that. Two big ones. Oh yeah. Look at that. All right. We're gonna harvest some. Keep some for the plate for today. Woo! Oh, the crackbait. All right. We got two big ones. See right there?
Oh, Perch.
Yeah. I think I got a big one on. I don't know. Yeah, buddy. That's three. We're gonna keep this one. We're gonna harvest some today. So this be the third, I would say, eatable size. About to crack one. Yeah, I think I'm on. Oh, look at that. Off the crackbait. Let's let this little one go. A little baby surf perch. Alright, there you go, buddy. See if I can get some more. It's cold, but it's nice out today. Cloudy, no sun, so I ain't getting no sunburn. Tide is low, but they seem to be biting. Okay, every time I try to get live footage, they seem to not like wanting to bite. Come on, hold you in there. Oh, right here. Oh, got him. Got him. Oh, he let go. That was a big one. Alright, I think I can get some live footage going now. Let's do this. Come on. Big one took him. Then, oh, I got it. This one is big, boy. Oh, it's pulling drag. This one is big. No. This one is big. It's pulling drag. Oh, yeah. You seen that line? Oh, look at this sucker. Oh, damn. Yeah, buddy. That's 4 fish. This one is the biggest. Yeah, we gonna keep some, like I said, for the harvesting. We're gonna harvest some today. Oh, took my bait. There you go, nice size. 4 fish. Try out deep. Let me try out deep. Oh, damn. I guess they're out deep. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You guys seen that line? They out deep. Yeah, this was a big one, too. I already got him. He's coming, boy. Oh, yeah. We'll keep this one. Woo. Oh, that. Gulp alive. Whew. There you go. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're at Mission Bay doing a little surf perch fishing. As you can see, I was using the it's getting cold. I'm getting a runny nose and Gulp Sandworms. We're out here at the Mission Bay Surf, and I got my rig I was using is a Carolina rig, as you can see right here. The egg, the bead, the swivel, and a hook. Rod I have is a Phenix rod, but it's rated as heavy, but it's actually like more as a medium heavy. Then I got the Shimano Nasci 3000. Overall, the tide was low, but I managed to catch some fish, and you know, take a step back away from trout fishing, doing little saltwater fishing for you guys. Then again, there go, like I said, I'm gonna harvest some, so I decided to keep the 5 biggest I caught today. So here they go, right here. There go my 5 big surf perch. I mean, they're good size, all caught on the Gulp. Then again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Me fishing at Mission Bay Surf. Overall, it was a good day. Thanks for watching, and leave a like. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel already. Then again, you're fishing with Mr. Eastside 609. Peace. Got my automatic sprayer. I'm gonna spray down my gear. Get all that salt off of it. Get all the salt off of it. Man, I'm good to go. My sprayer. 1 gallon sprayer. Alright, that should do it.